It's not just coffee. It's a latte with a double shot of get it done. It's not just watching the game. It's being a part of it before you even hit your seat. It's not just a car. It's a 0 to 60 rocket on wheels. Because it's not just edge. It's edge and cloud, edge and core, edge and data protection, edge and security. Edge from OTAVA means no trade-offs. It's real-time, resilient, and ready for everything. You get all of it. Built on Scale Computing's proven platform, elevate it with OTAVA's edge-to-everything approach. Localized processing that crushes latency. Built-in security and compliance for industries that don't mess around. Cloud synergy that scales with you, not against you. Lower TCO without sacrificing performance. Whether you're running a factory floor, a hospital wing, or a remote branch 500 miles from HQ, you don't need just edge. You need edge that works with everything else. Edge that's backed by a team of experts who get how chaotic distributed IT can be, who understand your pain points and actually help lift the load. And when it's time to grow, we're right there with a full stack of solutions to move your business forward. OTAVA, smarter at the edge, stronger in the cloud, and always protected. Because just edge? Not when you can have it all.